Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and again we're doing something neat, and this is for the Padawans. This is test number 2. If you don't screw it up, okay, see all the Padawans right there, and then the new people. This is test number 2. This was inspired by the African lion. Mickey's channel. Please check him out. Check out all these fine people. We're still praying for Spitfire Red. And we're still praying for our friend Elizabeth. Right there. Okay, there's Page Family Homestead, Our Journey Back. And Adventures of Frank and Tina. Still praying for the hand and everything else. Frank, good losing on the weight. And Colette Fry, that's Tina's channel. We're praying for all these people, even Bitty Boo. Hope you get better. Cows are doing good. Goats and everything. Nobody died. And we have all these people right here. And we're praying for Irish Colleen. Good work on the chicken coop. Now, this is test number 2. We're keeping it short. First of all, you need an old school meat can. This is the old US meat can. This is your cooking implement. Okay? You're only allowed 2 things. You got corned beef hash. And you have Jiffy pie crust. Okay? Now let's see on the ingredients. Not a problem. Okay, these are your 2 ingredients. Alright. You're going to make some kind of beef pasty. Cooking in this. You have to fabricate your own oven. Now if you know how to do it, this will act like a baker. And people who don't understand the term baker, then you fail test number 2. Okay? We're making a field expedient. Okay? Again, using a meat can, Jiffy pie crust mix, and corned beef hash. And this was based on an old War II South African and Australian, but they had better canisters than this, to make a pasty, a meat pie, out in the boonies. So that's your challenge, folks. That's for these people right here. The Padawans, inspired by the African lion, Mickey. So please check out his channel. Now Mickey knows when I'm talking about making pasties and pies. Try it really hard. You're limited to your imagination. You cannot use a stove oven. It has to be outside. You have to make your own oven. Can you figure this one out? And I'll catch you later, boys and girls.